Welcome to episode 1 of options trading from $1,500 to $130,000. Hey, I am Mr. Maciek. Welcome to the first episode of weeks 1 and 2 of options trading from $1,500 all the way to $130,000. Now, this is planned to be a 52-week journey. So stick with me. You gotta see the results that we got. If you're interested in following me in this journey, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be launching the videos every 14 days throughout the entire year. Also, I do a lot of financial education, so if you're interested in learning how to make money, how to invest your money, and so on in real estate and stocks, please subscribe as well. And one last favor, please smash that like button until it turns blue. It helps train the YouTube algorithm and let them know what you actually like. Okay, so first I just want to say sorry. I am recording out of my office and the lighting is not too good here, so bear with me, but we're actually going to be looking quite a bit at the computer and screenshots that I've done and screen recordings throughout the last 2 weeks. So you got to see what has happened to this account, to this TD Ameritrade account. All right, to be fair, I already had this TD Ameritrade account set up. I had about $1,500 in it, so it's not officially. Okay, looks like the second call I got is buying PFE Pfizer for $1.59. I might have owned a stock or two, so let me show you where it was on the first day. Okay, day 1 was officially December 23rd, 2020, and day 14 was yesterday, January 5th, 2020. It was a Tuesday. Now, if you missed episode 0, it's important to know that I am basically getting signals from an options trader who has an 80% success ratio. You've probably seen him on TikTok. His name on TikTok is tradetips.io. So take a look. I subscribed to his service and I will be paying for it for the whole year. Okay, I'm going to spare you all the boring details. Looks like I wanted to give you a whole play-by-play, and I recorded this whole thing, and I'm just summing it up and skipping right to the end. So you're not going to know really all the stock trades that I did, but if you're interested, I don't know, just drop a comment, and I might consider reposting it. So I'm going to spare you all the details of every single trade I've gone in and gone out of. It's important to note that my account is so small, and I just don't have the money in there to execute all the trades. You know, mRNA was $875 or so. I just couldn't do that one. And it was a huge gainer, literally hundreds of dollars that I ended up leaving on the table because I just couldn't execute the trade. And I know you are just waiting to find out what was it at and what am I at right now as of the 5th of January, ending 14 days. So before I tell you, one last thing, please consider subscribing to this channel. I would really appreciate that. And also, if you like this little series, please give it a thumbs up. And also, please comment below. I would really appreciate that, and I will answer everybody who writes a comment in there. Okay, here's what you've been waiting for. So as you can see right here, it started at $1,445.97, and we ended at, drum roll please, $1,852.96. Now that's a gainer of $406.99, but I like to say that was 28%, because I do find that a 28% return over 2 weeks is unbelievable. It is so incredibly high. The annualized return on that is way higher than 28. And if this keeps up, I'm gonna be happy. So actually, the annualized return on this is 732%, which is not enough if I just take $1,445.97 and give myself a 700% return. That's not enough. But keep in mind, this is going to be compounding every week, every day, really, over and over. So I'm going to be reinvesting more and more. So I can't really calculate how much I would make if I just kept this up. However, I am off to a great start and I'm really happy about this result. So make sure to tune in 14 days. I'm gonna have the second update on weeks 3 and 4, which just started today. Okay, so this makes the grand total for this challenge so far a 28.15% return. Let's see if we can get there.